Everything's flooded. None of the animals are where they're supposed to be. We got 3 Anatolians.
What was the point of that?
3 Anatolians on the front porch. Goats in the front yard. We let them go wherever to get their hooves and stuff out of the water.
They're still in there anyway.
Yeah, but they were up to their little knees in water. Hi guys, we'll get you some feed. The horses ate all the hay because they got into the hay thing last night. And Hayabus. And we got Zek, who's normally in with those goats that are roaming around. And then we have Gemma here. Hi Gems, say hello. Hi goats. Well, hello. We will get you some hay. So we're going to go and do a patrol. Any Anatolians feel that they need to go too. All right, who's going on patrol with us? Bunch of Anatolians. Checking the gates and the cameras. So we have to do this now because our quote-unquote neighbors, for some reason, they like to try and let our horses loose. I'm not the first person. I'm the 3rd widow to own this place, and they ran off the other 2 by doing the same kind of